Well, 6 in the morning, Friday before Labor Day, and I'm headed to the river. Got a 2.5 hour drive. Got my stuff packed up. We're gonna do a couple nights on the river, and should be an interesting trip. See you there. Ready? Yep. One of your hooks came loose on your pole, just so you know when you pick it up. Imagine if you were right here. We are on the river. The clay tone. Yep. Night one. This is going to be the camp spot. This little trench here is where I'm going to sleep. Packing up from campsite number one. Last night was really something. There were otters all night long. Cleaned up our camp pretty good. Getting ready to roll down the river. I should have filmed it. This log over here, there were otters running up and belly flopping off of it last night while we were trying to sleep. I was so mad at these damn otters. But I already caught 2 smallies this morning. I'm gonna try and get on them down the river. Look at that. Might only be 15. Yeah. It's a beaut. Twitching it like a jerkbait. Look at that beauty. It's a big one. Thanks, buddy. Last thunderstorm. Time to make shelter. There. I'll go get this, and then we'll just kind of hunker down, right? Yep.
We're just gonna do it like sort of push to the roof, and then we'll
Yep, and then we're gonna put something back there. Yeah. We don't need it tall, right?
Yeah, I guess we just need to be able to sit under it.
That's what I was thinking. We can tie it to this. This is pretty firm in the ground. I gotta find my rope. I guess we could set coolers back there. Yeah, I had the same thought.
Maybe we can pull one on both sides.
Yeah. The storm doesn't look nearly as bad now that it's right on top of us. That might be. Storm shelter. This sycamore tree is really doing it's a really good canopy. Big leaves. Oh, back on the river. There it is. Well, that was awesome. I was filming that.
Huh?
I've been filming that.
Nice. This is a good one.
Oh yeah. That's a nice one, dude. It's weird not having a net.
Yeah. He's long.
Yeah, he is. Good job.
That was exciting.
Nice topwater fish. There he is. Haha. It's Black Cinco, man. Thanks, buddy. He's a giant. Oh. No, he's a little guy. It's a little better. Oh my God. Oh boy. Salsa Baca. Oh man. It's a big one. I'm getting him. He's big and tough. Oh, damn it. Whew. It's a good one. I just been casting at that little dirt clot and letting it float. That's a nice one. Haha. That's a beaut. Thanks, buddy. Clayton's got something giant on. What you got?
It's a giant smallmouth.
Oh my goodness, you need my net? Want me to come over there and net it?
No.
What a good stretch of river.
Dude, I thought I was snagged on the bottom. I even tried to pop it.
It's awesome. Well, take it. It broke right when you said 4-pound test line. Oh no. Better adjust that drag.
Right.
Is that the jig?
That was a Ned rig.
No. I was just thinking I should cast my net over there. You get down quicker.
I was like out here in the middle.
Yeah, that's, yeah. Dude, this is a deep hole. There might be a bunch of them here. We should have walked down here and fished during the rain.
Didn't know it was down there.
Fishing is definitely better today. He's missing half his face, or half his mouth. Am I hearing a radio? Shoo-wee. Glad I noticed that. There's about 50 little nicks in this line.
Wonder when we're gonna get to the shit we gotta fucking carry things around.
I'm telling you, man. Maybe the storms have blessed us and washed it all away. I put on the old yoga pants, big TRD. Oh, and get a bite on the first cast. That's not a good sign. You want an apple? You all right?
Yeah.
Nice cold apple. Yep. This grows on a tree.
Fuck me.
God put this here for me and for you.
I swallowed this thing.
Apples, since I've started eating healthy, have become maybe my favorite thing. Have you ever had black seedless grapes? No. They're so fucking good.
I don't think I've ever seen a black grape.
I have some. Hope I put them in here. I froze some before I left. I did. I got a bag for you. Bye-bye, good spot. Thank you. Appreciate you. It's fun times. Clayton's got one. There we go. Is it a big one? I got you. I got you.
Yeah, that fucking guy. He swallowed it.
That's a nice one.
Holy shit.
Just came charging with my net. Like, I'm not letting this kid lose another big fish. Nice.
Oh, real peach.
Let's get the river in there. That's a beaut. Oh shit. Well, I got that on tape. Come here, buddy. Oh. Come on. That's a nice one. Little 13-incher. Thanks, buddy. Uh-oh. Oh no! The boat had enough. That's funny. Guess it's a sign. Move on. That one, I think that one ate it before it even got to the bottom. I think it was just waiting for it. It's a snake. Oh, it's a turtle, yeah. Came back for it. There we go. Ouch. Damn, bud. Thanks. That hurt. Rip my knuckle. All I know is shallow, shalala-low. That's all I know. In the shallow. And it's stuck in my head. That was cool. That was neat. I was reeling it in, and he came and attacked it right here. Wish I had a swim bait this color. Yeah. Or this yoga pants color. Something similar to it. Oh boy. What a spot. I didn't mean to steal it from you. You can still fish here. Thanks, buddy. Net. Yeah, that was incredible. Oh no, I missed him. This is a train wreck. That is a big smallie, dude. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh.
Fucking A.
That's 2 net jobs I've done for you today.
Good stuff, thank you.
Yeah, that one wasn't on par with being good.
They always seem bigger when they jump.
That's a big one, dude. You should measure it. Nice. That's a good one. It's fatty. That's what it is. That's a fat boy.
When it came out of the water, though, I thought
Oh,
it was
yeah.
a fucking monster.
What do you think it is? 17? 18? No, it's just fat.
Holy shit.
That is a fat fish.
Oh. I'm sorry. Okay, see ya.
Hit me right in the foot. Nice. Boy, oh boy, these things are lively. You know what I have replaced that phrase with at my house because of the kids? Martha Fluffer. And I don't even know where it came from. I just did it one day and now I say it all the damn time. Oh.
Dude, I don't know why there's a jack in front of this thing.
I'm casting over there on the side of it. It's crazy.
Every cat.
There you go. Oh, that's a nice one.
It's a largemouth.
Oh, come on, eat it. This jig head is beat up, dude.
Mine doesn't have any pin on it.
Yeah. Wires are all bent. I kept having to reshape the wire guards on this thing. This is camp night 2. It's a beaut. Camping, a little coffee. Taking delicious. Ooh, chicken and bacon wraps. Avocados. Real classy. I took a bath in the river. Yeah, tonight, doing a little bank fishing. Oh man. Oh shit. He's got me tangled up. Yeah, it's got me tangled up though. That was a big one, dude. Please be on there still. Ah. I almost pulled the fucking pole out of my hand. At least I... Ooh, I'm sorry, bud. Caught something, though. I want... That's a good one. Get in here. Come on, buddy. Huh, I got my camera on. Look at that guy.
Not bad.
Whew. Dropping F-bombs.
Isn't it dumb you can't cuss on YouTube?
It's dumb that they'll demonetize you if you can't, but I mean, you can see all kinds of awful, terrible murders and shit.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah. There you go. I didn't have the camera on. I just got 3 nice ones in this spot. See if I can do it again. Cool. All right, buddy. Hi. There we go. Nice. Look how beautiful this place is. Buzzards. Well, that wraps up that weekend. Spent 3 days on the river, 2 nights camping on the river. It's beautiful. Had otters mess with us the first night. Second night we had cows. Caught a ton of fish. Ton of fish. Had a great time with my brother. I caught most of my fish on a TRD, big TRD, a 3-inch grub, and a black Cinco. Caught a ton of fish on a black Cinco. Almost forgot about that. Anyways, hope that you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.